countries and its capital and huge cities of European continent. European continent is the fifth largest continent in the world, and it is the most densely populated continent. Europe is the only continent without any deserts. Europe is surrounded by North Arctic Ocean and East Asia and West Atlantic Ocean, South Mediterranean Sea. Now I am going to mark the countries and its capitals and huge cities. Portugal. This is Portugal. Portugal. Its capital is Lisbon. And large cities are Porto, which means port. Spain. Spain. Capital is Madrid. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Large cities are Bilbao, Barcelona, Granada, Sevilla, and these are islands of Spain. France. France is the third largest country in Europe and the third largest population in Europe. Capital is Paris. Large cities are Lyon, Toulouse, Marseille and Nice. And Iceland. Iceland is an island. Its capital is Reykjavik. It is the northernmost country of Europe. Ireland. Capital is Dublin. Largest city also Dublin. UK. Capital is London and large cities are Liverpool, Edinburgh and Belfast. British Empire is the largest empire in the world's history. Belgium. This is Belgium. Capital is Brussels. And there is a country with two capitals. It's called Netherlands. Its capital is Hague and Amsterdam. Switzerland. Capital is Bern and huge cities are Zurich and Geneva. Italy. Italy is the largest producer of wine in the world. Italy's capital is Rome and large cities are Napoli, Bari, Palermo, Cagliari. This island also Italy, Turin and Austria. This is Austria. Capital is Vienna. Germany. Germany. Germany is the second most populated country in Europe. Capital is Berlin. Hamburg. The huge cities are Hamburg, Leipzig, Munich, and okay. Then we go to Denmark. 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 Denmark is a peninsula. This island is called Bornholm.
What is peninsula?
Peninsula means a land with covered with three sides water. Water is covered three sides. Four side means it is a island. So, example, this is a island, but this is a peninsula. Three sides, east, north and west. These are east side, and south is Germany. This means a peninsula. Sweden. Sweden capital is Stockholm. Stockholm. Norway. Capital is Oslo, and the Oslo is the largest city of Norway. The world's northernmost city in the world is in the Norway. There is an island in Norway which is the most northest island in Europe, and that city is called Longyearbyen, the farthest city from the equator. Poland. Poland. Capital is Warsaw, and huge cities are Lodz and Gdansk. Czech Republic, also known as Czechia. The capital is Prague. Slovakia. Slovakia. Slovakia's capital is Bratislava. Slovakia's capital, Bratislava, is the only capital city which touches three countries. One is Slovakia, Austria, and Hungary. Hungary. The next country is Hungary. The capital is Budapest. Don't be confused with the Romania. Romania's capital Bucharest. Bucharest and Budapest. Budapest is Hungary and Bucharest is Romania. Slovenia. 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 This is Slovakia and Slovenia. This is K, and Slovenia there is N instead of K. Capital Ljubljana. Croatia. Croatia. Capital is Zagreb. Bosnia. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Herzegovina. Capital is Sarajevo. Serbia. Capital is Belgrade. Montenegro. This is a Montenegro. Montenegro. This country. Montenegro. Capital is Podgorica. Podgorica. Albania. Albania. Capital is Tirana. Albania has the most bunkers in the world.
Bunkers.
Yes, bunkers means a stone house which looks like a cave. North Macedonia. North Macedonia. Capital is Skopje. I think you know Alexander the Great from Macedon Empire. Greece. Capital is Athens and huge cities are Thessaloniki. Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Capital is Sofia. Moldova. Moldova. Ukraine. And Moldova's capital is Chisinau. Ukraine, its capital is Kyiv. And huge city is Kharkov. Belarus. Capital is Minsk and huge city is Gomel. Lithuania. Capital is Vilnius. Latvia. Capital is Riga. Estonia. Capital is Tallinn. These two islands belongs to Estonia. Turkey. Turkey is also a peninsula called Anatolian Peninsula. This area is also Turkey. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. And huge cities are Istanbul and Tekirdağ. And lastly, the largest country in the world, Russia. This is also a Russia. Capital is Moscow, the most populated city in Europe. And huge cities are St. Petersburg and Voronezh. Finland. The country Finland founded the Nokia phone. Capital Helsinki.
What founded the
Nokia phone.
Finland?
Yes. Okay.
Russia, why it's coming under Europe continent?
Because Russian parts are Europe and Asia also. These are European Russia and Asian Russia also there.
What is how many countries are there in European continent total?
There are totally 47 countries, but I ignore the countries which are too small, which like the countries in Rome, capital of Italy. The country is called Vatican City, capital is Vatican City. And here that is a San Marino. It's also a country.
These are very small.
Yes. Capital is San Marino and Monaco. France. It is the second smallest country in the world and smallest country with a coastline. And here Luxembourg. Capital is Luxembourg also, and Luxembourg is the most richest country in the world. Liechtenstein. Here you can see it. Capital is Vaduz. And Andorra. It is 441 kilometers area. Capital is Andorra also. century, Vatican City was too big, nearly half the size of Italy. But now it is nearly smaller than a half a kilometer. And the largest church in the world is in Vatican City. Okay, thanks. I finished all European countries. Thanks for watching this video.